Welcome back to Hyper Meditation. In this video we discover the power of Samatha meditation for inner peace and clarity. In the realm of spiritual practices, there exists a profound technique aimed at quieting the mind and nurturing inner peace, a method known as Samatha meditation. Rooted in the ancient teachings of Buddhism, Samatha embodies the essence of tranquility and calmness, offering practitioners a transformative journey toward mental clarity and spiritual well-being. At its core, Samatha meditation is a practice of cultivating single-pointed concentration. It beckons individuals to anchor their attention on a chosen object, a focal point amidst the tumultuous currents of thought and emotion. Whether it be the rhythmic flow of the breath, the flickering flame of a candle, or the repetition of a sacred mantra, the chosen object serves as a conduit for redirecting awareness inward, toward the depths of the mind. As practitioners embark on the journey of Samatha, they navigate the terrain of their own consciousness with steadfast determination. With each inhalation and exhalation, they gently guide the wandering mind back to the present moment, nurturing a sense of stillness and serenity within. In the midst of life's incessant chatter, Samatha meditation becomes a sanctuary, a refuge where the ceaseless waves of distraction recede, unveiling the tranquil expanse of inner peace. The benefits of Samatha meditation extend far beyond the confines of the meditation cushion. Through regular practice, individuals cultivate an unwavering sense of presence and mindfulness, enabling them to navigate life's challenges with grace and equanimity. Stress and anxiety dissipate in the wake of inner calm, replaced by a profound sense of clarity and resilience. As the mind becomes attuned to the rhythms of tranquility, practitioners discover a newfound capacity for concentration and focus, empowering them to engage with the world with heightened awareness and intention. Yet, the journey of Samatha meditation is not without its challenges. The mind, ever prone to wander, presents a formidable adversary on the path to inner peace. Distractions arise like wayward gusts of wind, threatening to upend the delicate balance of concentration. Yet, it is through the very act of confronting these distractions that practitioners cultivate strength and resilience, forging a deeper connection to the essence of their being. In the annals of Buddhist tradition, Samatha meditation stands as a testament to the transformative power of inner stillness. Rooted in centuries of wisdom and practice, it serves as a timeless reminder of humanity's innate capacity for transcendence, a journey that unfolds not in the grandeur of temples or monasteries, but within the sacred chambers of the heart. In conclusion, Samatha meditation offers seekers a pathway to inner peace and spiritual awakening. Through the cultivation of single-pointed concentration and mindfulness, practitioners embark on a transformative journey toward mental clarity, resilience, and serenity. In the quietude of the present moment, amidst the ebb and flow of the breath, lies the timeless essence of Samatha, a practice that beckons individuals to awaken to the boundless depths of their own being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on meditation and mindfulness practices. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content to share with our community. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay mindful and keep meditating.